Alright guys, this is going to be a hotel tour of the Courtyard by Marriott in Amherst, Massachusetts. This hotel is fancy. Look at this lobby. Got the bistro over here. It's the market. It's just closed right now.
No worries, I'm glad you figured it out. So what's your titanium number? Let's start with that.
Let's take a look around over here. Here's the outdoor courtyard area. The room is on the top floor. And here are the elevators. You all know what these are. That's right. These are ThyssenKrupp Aurora. This elevator is here. 3. Door close button works. I like that. Listen to the motor. And here you are at 3. What a motor! Room 322. We are in room 322. Let's take a room tour. The door's heavy. There we go. When you first come into the room, first you have your security features. The deadbolt, latch, fire evacuation map, and a peephole. And you have your bathroom right here. Toilet, sink, bath and shower. This, I believe, is to be a conjoining room. Here's a mini fridge. And here are the 2 queen beds. With 2 lamps, a telephone, and an alarm clock. You got your TV over here. 3 drawers over here. You have the office chair. This is the AC unit. And you have your view out the window. That's all for this room tour. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're going to go down the elevator at the Courtyard by Marriott in Amherst, Massachusetts. This one. Oh, it has a rear door. Go down to 1. Door close button works. And here we are at the first floor. Button already went out. Here we are. Let's see if we have an elevator machine room. So here is the pool. It's kind of warm in here. I'm gonna look for an elevator machine room. Not sure there's an elevator machine room. Sales office. Right. Let's take a look back here. Here are meeting rooms. These are all just meeting rooms. car. All for this hotel. So thanks for watching.